If you want to look like you got your eyebrows microbladed and you like what you see, keep watching. So here's a snapshot of some of the items I like to use to do my eyebrows. I usually use a dark brown eyeshadow. Lately I've been using the two brown eyeshadows next to the black in the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Espresso and the NYX Eyebrow Gel in the color Black. I use two different angled brushes, one that's a little bit more dense for picking up powder and another one with more fine bristles that work really well with liquid products. I use a small flat brush, great for putting concealer in small areas, and the concealer brush from MAC number 286. You'll need a concealer. I use Fenty in the color 390 and a pair of angled scissors along with a pair of good tweezers. So first I'm going to start by brushing my eyebrows into unison by using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I'm going to brush the inner brow towards my forehead and the rest of the brows in a horizontal arc type of shape. Now I'm going to go in with the actual pencil and just create a border for the bottom of my brow, just following my natural shape. And if you haven't done your eyebrows in a while, just follow the generic shape or placement of where you would like your eyebrows to be. And you can always touch that up with the tweezers and the concealer after, just to make it look cleaner. So as I'm penciling my eyebrows, I'm making short strands, like trying to mimic the hairs on my brows as much as possible. I just want to follow the direction that my hairs actually grow. So now that I've created a shape, I'm just going to pluck any hairs that are out of place. And I'm going to use the angled scissors to trim any hairs that fall outside of that shape I've created as well, just to make it look a lot cleaner. Now I'm going to go in with the dense angled brush and just smoothen out the harsh lines and ombre out the inner corners. This will also help to make your eyebrows look a little more natural. And fill in any bald spots. So as you can see, there's before and after. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow the same steps for my other eyebrow. And remember, these are sisters, not twins. So this brow needs a little bit more TLC. I'm honestly more impressed with how I slay this brow than the other one. It's a little easier. So there I am, just trying to find the shape and just following up with short strokes. As if it's hair, and just trying to follow my hair pattern. See right there, I'm missing a whole like arc on my brow, so I'm just creating that and connecting it to the end. Then I'll just clean that up by trimming and plucking any hairs that are out of place. So I just realized that with this brow, I kind of reversed those last two steps just because it needed a little bit more TLC for me to see the shape, but I pretty much do the same thing on both brows when it comes to shaping, filling in, and cleaning it up. So now I'm going to go back in with a more dense angled brush and just use that dark brown eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette and just fill in my eyebrows even more. It's kind of like when you microblade and they do the shading in, so this is really going to help so when the sun hits your eyebrow, the bald spots that you penciled in aren't as noticeable. So next I'm going to use the angled brush with the finer hairs and the eyebrow gel. I'm going to squeeze it lightly and just scrape a little bit off onto my brush and just start by applying that in the middle, because this product does dry pretty fast, but it's just really going to gel my eyebrows in place and really again darken my eyebrows because I have black hair. So if I'm rocking a lighter hair color, I'll typically just finish with the eyeshadow in a lighter shade and skip this step. So now I'm going to go in with a tiny flat concealer brush with fine hairs. And I'm actually going to just scrape off the semi-dry concealer and just use that to outline my brows. So this is going to give you that like freshly done or freshly plucked, freshly waxed, whatever you do, brow. And I'm gonna outline the top as well, just covering up any extra hairs or hairs out of place that I wasn't able to pluck. So if you look closely, you can see there's a difference between the one I just concealed and the one I haven't done yet. And so here's a close-up of what my eyebrows would look like before I applied my full face. Here I am with my face beat, just in case you forgot how bomb my eyebrows look. Please let me know in the comment section if you learned something new. Personally, I feel like there's so many videos out there about eyebrows and how to do them, but I usually get a lot of compliments on mine. I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.